Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of some new hair. I typically don't unbox hair that I receive, but this is my second time purchasing this hair, and I loved it so much the first time that I really wanted to experience it from beginning to end. So I'm going to film an unboxing with you guys, so let's see how it goes. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining me for today's video, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my uploads, especially since I'm going to review this hair. I'm going to be filming updates, so you're not going to want to miss them. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. So this is Her Imports Brazilian Body Wave. I have two 16-inch bundles with a 14-inch bundle and a 16-inch lace closure. I really wanted some shorter bundles for this unit, so I went with 16-inch bundles. They had a 50% off sale. That's the only time that I purchased this hair, is when it's on sale, because it is super pricey, but it is so beautiful. I haven't looked at the hair yet, so let's see what I got. The hair was shipped in this bag, and inside that bag is this lovely bag by Her Imports. This is one of my top hair companies, like one of my top 3, but this hair before had a smell. So we'll see if it still has a smell, but even with the smell, it's the best hair. I can't explain it. So let's see what I got. The bundles are in baggies like this. This is what the closure came in. Let's take a look at the bundles first. That's what I'm most excited about. It's a 14-inch bundle. And by the way, the hair that I'm wearing right now is Queen Weave Beauty Ltd Brazilian Deep Wave. I do have a video here on my channel with a show and tell of this hair. So if you'd like to find out the specs and all of that about this hair, I filmed that show and tell a year ago. So this hair is a year old. I didn't wear it all the time, but it's still a year old. Oh, wow. It has a lot of static. Okay. Okay guys, the hair is beautiful. It definitely looks like it came off of her head. It does have static, so I'll have to shampoo it, and it is gorgeous hair, but let's see how my fingers go through it. It's a little dry, but there aren't any split ends or anything like that. It's thick all the way to the tips. The tips are thick, and as you can tell here on camera, it's very shiny, but it feels more dry to the touch, which is very surprising. That's surprising to me, because the first time I got this hair, it felt a lot softer, but this feels a little drier. But no worries, as long as it's good quality hair, I'm going to be able to, you know, shampoo and condition it, and the softness will probably return, but it does feel a little bit dry, this particular bundle. I'm getting a little bit of resistance when I run my hands through, but it's not like resistance as if there's any type of chemical on it. It's just regular tangles. Like, it just feels like hair that needs to be combed. It feels like that. So that's what I feel like I'm getting as I run my hands through this hair. Oh my goodness. that was probably an ugly face. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't smell anything like my last batch of hair that I got from them. Let's take a look at my 16 inches. Okay, again, some static from coming out the bag. This is one of the 16 inches, and definitely body wave, very beautiful. The hair has lots of shine and luster, so it's gorgeous. And it's thick from root to tip. That's what the ends look like. So no split ends, like super high quality hair. It's really pretty hair, but again, I'm getting a little bit of resistance when I put my hands through the hair, but not like chemical tangles, just like hair that needs to be combed. That's what it feels like. This feels like authentic virgin hair. Like, it feels like if I were to close my eyes, I'm holding somebody's ponytail. It doesn't feel like extensions that have been processed. So that's lovely. Okay, and here is the other 16-inch bundle. Okay, same thing. Kind of tangled, and I'll need to shampoo it and get those tangles out. It's not super soft, and I'm really hopeful that when I shampoo and condition this, the softness will return. So I'll be sure to give you guys that update whenever I install the hair and complete my initial review. So let's take a look at the two 16-inch bundles. So they look the same as far as length. So that's good. And the bundles, these are pretty thick bundles. I like that. And here's the 14-inch. And all of the hair looks the same. Like, color is beautiful. It's perfect. I'm assuming this is just a natural black. I think that's what I ordered. And this is the premium body wave, by the way. Let's take a look at these wefts. No excessive bearding. And the wefting looks fantastic. Okay, so those are the bundles. Let's take a look at the closure here. Closure comes in this type of baggie. The last time that I created a unit, it was a U-part wig because I still had relaxer in my hair. That was a little bit different, okay? Okay, here's the closure, guys. It came in the nice little zippy pouch, and I had not opened the Her Imports bag, but I had opened the mailer because I wanted to make sure that I had the right package. You know, I wanted to make sure everything was at least hair inside. And I got a little bit of a smell, so I thought that my bundles were going to have an odor. I thought my bundles were going to have an odor, but I think it's the closure this time. It's got that corn chip smell, guys. and it's just, I wish I understood it. I wish I understood why. Because this is like one of the most expensive hair companies on the market. And I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't understand why it smells like that. If it's the best hair out there. I mean, my hair doesn't smell like corn chips in my head. So why is this smell like corn chips? But let's take a look at it, and hopefully I'll be able to get this smell out. All right, this, okay. Now, so this smells more like the hair smelled the last time, and it feels really soft. Closures typically, in my experience, feel softer sometimes than the hair itself anyway, but this feels more like what the hair felt like the first time that I got the bundles. Like, I'm serious. The bundles that I received 3 years ago look very different than these bundles as far as coming out of the package. They were the softest, most perfectly S-shaped bundles that I ever purchased from a body wave. Like, they were gorgeous. So I'm just hopeful that when I shampoo this hair and I install it on my unit, that it's going to feel the same as the other hair. I'm just hopeful, okay? But this closure feels wonderful. Like, it is extremely soft and beautiful. Very bouncy, just gorgeous. This is a pretty closure. I like the lace. This is what it looks like on the back. You've got the baby hairs here. So there's what the lace looks like here. You can at least see a little bit of the parting here. And that looks pretty good. It looks like I will still have to bleach the knots on this closure, but the lace looks amazing. Like, once I bleach the knots on this closure, you're probably not going to be able to tell that I have on a closure. I mean, it looks great. As soon as this video is over, I'm probably going to go ahead and shampoo the bundles because I'm definitely wanting to make sure that I can get the smell out of this. So I'm going to start with this because cone chips. Cone chips. So I'm not even upset about it because I made it work the last time, and I know some techniques, like you can put Downy on it. There's things you can do, but I don't want to have to go through all of that. So I'm hoping that just my clarifying shampoo and conditioner and all that, I'm hoping regular shampoo and conditioner will remove the smell. This looks beautiful. I mean, look at this shiny hair. This is gorgeous hair. It's beautiful hair. Can't complain in that way. Like, it's okay if you don't see that S shape when you get hair like this, because actually when you see that S shape in hair, they had to have processed it in some way to make that shape. So if it looks like this, it's closer to probably being raw or virgin when it looks like this. I'm hopeful that I'll shampoo and condition it and it's going to be gorgeous. I'll come back with an initial review once I have it ready. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope that you liked this unboxing. If you have any questions or comments for me, leave them down below. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my uploads. I like to talk about hair, and of course, you guys know makeup is my big thing, but I still do like to review hair from time to time, so go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join the Savvy family. So I'll be seeing you guys again very soon in my next video. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy, signing out.